3 reasons why waiting to bring your personal injury claim is a huge mistake. Reason number 1 is statute of limitations. Statute of limitations is a fancy legal word for saying if you wait longer than what's allowed by your state's law, your claim, poof, is gone. I'm Tom Friedman. I'm a lawyer in Nevada, and in Nevada, the statute of limitations for a personal injury claim is 2 years. So that means no matter how badly you're injured, no matter how bad the accident was, if you wait for 2 years and 1 day, your claim is gone. So do not wait to bring your personal injury claim, or you may completely lose it. The second reason you should not wait to bring your claim is evidence can disappear. Important things to prove that someone else is at fault would include witnesses. Sometimes witnesses can't be identified later. Sometimes they move away, change phone numbers. So waiting isn't always really helpful when you're trying to track down witnesses to the scene of the accident. The other thing is video. A lot of people now have video in their cars. There may be video from businesses nearby, and a lot of folks have their video essentially on a loop. So after a certain amount of days, the video gets erased. So if your accident happened on January 1st and you decide to wait months and months to bring your claim, that January 1st footage has already been recorded over, maybe more than once. So it's gone, and that is not helpful. And also memories fade. If I asked you what you had for breakfast a year and a half ago, you're probably not going to remember. Accidents are certainly more important than breakfast, but what happens is your memory may fade, the witnesses' memories may fade, the other person, at fault people's memories fade. So it's not always in your best interest to wait a long time until the memories are gone. Because in order to win your case, the very first thing you have to prove is that somebody else is at fault, somebody else caused your injuries. If you lose the evidence that someone else caused your injuries, no matter how bad your injuries may be, no matter how much time you lost at work, no matter how much pain and suffering you have, you won't recover. So you've got to show that somebody else is at fault, and in order to show that, you need evidence, and evidence tends to disappear over time. So it's very important not to wait to bring your personal injury claim. The third factor that you want to look out for is your own medical treatment. If you're injured in an accident, don't wait to get treatment. Again, we're going to use this January 1st example. If you're injured on January 1st and it hurts, you decide to stay in bed for a week, it doesn't get any better, then you decide, well, I'm just going to take some Motrin or something, I'm going to power through it, it still doesn't get better. As the weeks go by, you don't get any treatment, it looks bad. The other side, who's trying to minimize the amount of money they have to pay you, is going to argue a couple things. They're going to argue, look, if you were truly hurt, you would have gone to the doctor. We're here in America, we're not on the top of the Himalayas. And if you need to go to a doctor, doctors are available, you go see a doctor. So if you didn't go to see a doctor, you probably weren't really hurt. The other argument that's going to be made against you is, look, your accident was on January 1st. The first time you went to the doctor was, February 1st. Well, a lot can happen in a month. So probably, maybe you slip and fell, you fell down some stairs, maybe you were in another accident. We don't know what happened, but something else triggered you to actually finally get to go to the doctor. So don't wait to bring your case, or else it might disappear. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email, and thanks very much for watching.